29 free home decor catalogs. Pottery Barn has several home decor catalogs available. You can request their main Pottery Barn home decor catalog as well as Pottery Barn Bed and Bath, Pottery Barn Kids, and PB Teen. Ballard Designs has a home decor catalog that's free for those in the US to request and have mailed to them. The LoneStar Western Decor home decor catalog contains all things Western and Southwestern for your home. The Brylane Home Decor catalog is sent straight to your mailbox in just a few weeks' time. Request a Blair home decor catalog and you'll find a great selection of household decor and furnishings at budget prices. The Collections etc. Home Decor catalog has many items for your home for a value price of $14.99 and less. The Miles Kimball Home Decor catalog has items for your kitchen, office, outdoor areas, and lots of home decor that would look great in any room of your house. The Montgomery Ward Home Decor catalog sells great-looking home decor at affordable prices. The Home Decor catalog from the Lakeside Collection contains all things for your home and it can be mailed to your house for free. The Land's End Home Decor catalog features items for your home in that famous Land's End classic style. The Garnet Hill Home Decor catalog sells furniture, rugs, bedding, and decorative accessories for your home. The Schweitzer Linen Home Decor catalog includes items for your bedroom, bathroom, and dining room. You can request a free home decor catalog from Crate & Barrel as well as several other home decor catalogs from them that sell modern furnishings and items for kids' rooms. The Sturbridge Yankee Workshop Home Decor catalog has a wide range of classic American home decor and furniture on display. The Orvis Home Decor catalog has a great selection of rugs, light fixtures, candles, fireplaces, furniture, and home accents. The Design Toscano Home Decor catalog features home furnishings with specialty themes such as Egyptian, angels, fairies, Celtic, African, medieval, and Greek. The Lamps Plus Home Decor catalog features lamps, light fixtures, ceiling fans, outdoor lights, and even some home decor such as mirrors and accessories. The Lifekind Home Decor catalog specializes in organic mattresses but also has plenty of other home decor items for your home. The Plow Hearth Home Decor catalog carries all things for your home, hearth, yard, and garden. The Bassett Home Decor catalog is filled with contemporary and traditional furniture as well as accessories for every room in your house. Inside the Sundance Home Decor catalog, you'll find beautiful items for your living room, dining room, bedroom, office, and bath. The Company Store Home Decor catalog is all about selling items that will make you and your home feel comfortable and invite. You'll love the wonderful collection of contemporary rugs, art, home decor, and furniture inside of the Grandin Road Home Decor catalog. The Restoration Hardware Home Decor catalog features high-quality furniture, textiles, hardware, linens, rugs, drapery, wall decor, and accessories. The Frontgate Home Decor catalog will take your breath away with the quality furnishings and decor you'll find inside. One of the best home decor catalogs out there is the IKEA catalog. With modern and contemporary furnishings at unbeatable prices, you'll be able to add some style to your home without breaking the bank. The Home Decor catalog from West Elm sells contemporary and modern furnishings from your home. Flip through the pages of the Wisteria Home Decor catalog and your breath will be taken away by the beauty of these home decor items. Inside the Through the Country Door Home Decor catalog, you'll find furniture and accessories that will make your home comfortable and inviting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.